President, candidate, your friends, His Excellency, the former President Bawumia. His Excellency, me one advice. Say, John,
former
Vice President. What you need is power to become a president. His Excellency. It is obi now on the board primary school election bia step bia on yedene. His Excellency, this is a very good advice. Election step bia on yedene ko. Why a flag bearer na wi obu a wadan for pa no ne nam ontimi ma wunya power no drop no fanichi na nchen sabi ni odi wachi so onim no so ye politician a ohu so ontimi ma power ontena nchen wunya be president and your baby abetimi di aiden amano Bawumia ne koye se oye madam for odi wachi 100 no anya presidency na emfa so ni so Sir John President Kufo obedi premier doctor na ntimi nimpa already president no eno hu say team satam da rocha no ne mpanimfo no hu say na nipa ni bi manafa but say no say wodi obi kwai say one support me one ni machi na be create tension no lose seat no what he did is say them for positions ni nyina ma national regional constituency for no say wo ma phone so ni ma phone munya campaign ma me no set shadow campaign eyi wo na chi led by Dr. Naninum, Alan Kojo Chiremantinum, Papai, former your friends say national security, Kandapanum, and in Penful. It's only what they did. Omun na machire as monitoring committee. It is your group say Evans, and national chairman, regional chairman, consul, and idea we 1 year. Quickly, no my.
Before you see 2024.
Yes, quickly no my and San Kofona. Say John San Kofona me more pap no. A very strong people are no more related to President Kofo. San was a president, His Excellency the Vice President. On drop bia we feel say we di campaign anima. E be ya sema no. On the toma effects campaign no kra. O wie no anya power useless. Set omo wachire. Now omo mbetimi aye no for omo ye nefa unity ni ye den ebra no omo nam wachi odu ba bi no ma anya no ma correct any the power enya we ama ma chinchi ya pam no ya saki we
ba Opooman wonye ni say o hwe the way a wa koma constitute omo policy committees na looking very unity committee no mo ye no foster unity be because
they be rejected
so far there hasn't been any official way. Official rejection. No, there hasn't been any official rejection.